Hello, nice to see you back here. Um, some videos before I've shown you that I have finished my project with a submarine and the diorama, and during this time, from the end to really finishing, I have started a new one, a new project, and I've already painted it, and now I have to glue it together, and also some figures will miss. They are just in the painting area, but they are not dry, so I cannot show you today. So I have here a small face. You can see it here. It has a little bit like a stone look, and it's with some shadows and yes. So also some small holes here to set the figures and the chair in and so on. And but before I can put everything on the base, I have to do it with the chair. All the stuff you see here is from a 3D printer. You also can hear the printer in the back. Because I have forgotten something to print, and now it's just printing so that I have everything for my new project. So you can see it was from 4 different pieces. You can see here how I glued it, and so this was a natural color, and then I have painted it with here. Also you can do here some more specialties, but I just think this was enough for this one. And now I have a chair with a special item. It looks like a coffin. So this is how it looks like later. And also this is here, like this one here, just for the arms. And also a small pumpkin with a scary nice face, or not as with a nice face, just with a scary face. He's also here on the base, and now I have to glue the chair. And before I glue it, I can show you how it comes on the base. So you can see here the small pins on the feet, and for this are the small holes here, so that I can put it here and here in the hole. So, but I see I was not very correct with the feet here from the chair, because this hole and this pin does not fit very well. So it doesn't matter, I just cut it and then everything will be fine. So let me do this first, that I cut the pin, because if I don't do it now I will forget it, and when everything, the chair is ready, and then when I put it on the base, if I have to do it then maybe something is broken and something goes wrong, so I have to do it now. Just it, oops, and that's it. So everything is fine now. And now I have to do the back side of the chair. Just a little bit glue here. Just wait some seconds to just a little bit dry. And then I have to look that everything looks good. Okay. So now this has to dry, because when I don't let it dry very well, the chair will be broken again and I have to start again, and this I don't want to do. Maybe I can also do the pumpkin here on the base, just like here, but I don't know in which direction I have to put the face, maybe directly in this shape. What do you think? Okay, I will do it later. And maybe when I have done the chair here on the base, that I will do everything together. Okay? Okay, glue is dry. Hopefully, cross your fingers, please. So now I want to glue the chair on the base. And when I have done this, then I will do the armrest and then the pumpkin, so that I can see how the pumpkin look like next to the chair. But I have to also be now a little bit careful. Maybe I do a drop of glue here in this one, because this is where this part is coming. Okay, and now just a bit under his feet. Just give him a second to dry, so it looks very nice, I think. And now I will do the armrest. Hopefully it will work very well and will dry fast, so that I have not to hold it for minutes and minutes and minutes. So put it in the right direction, so it's a little bit easier for me. I think it's better when I do the glue here on the ends. So here. I hope it will dry fast and hold good, so that I have not stay here for a long time. You hear the sound of the 3D printer in the back. So everything will be finished soon. And then I'll show you the finished project. Ta-da! The first one is ready. And now the other side. It was not too bad when I put the glue here, so I will do it with the other side also. Just some drops. You can see here also small pins and small holes where I have to put it in. And just turn a bit. And wait for drying. So during I hold this and I wait until the glue dries. I can talk a little bit about my dioramas and my hobby to build this. I was very happy when I bought the 3D printer, because it's much easier to print figures out and then to glue them, to buy whole things and not to know how they look like. So I can search through the internet and look for figures and for dioramas which I like, and so I found this one here, and it looks very, very nice, because there's just two parts missing, but you see it later. Well, maybe not this video, maybe in another one. And now I will put the pumpkin on. So I think might be like this position. What do you think? Okay, perfect. So I also have to put some glue on, just here. because you see also here a nice little hole where the pumpkin comes in. So just press a little bit down and give Figur time to dry. Then a big part of this, that's not a really diorama, it's just a nice figure collection. So the most parts of it is done. Later there's also coming a man and a woman on the chair, and also a support and a moon behind the backrest. And the pumpkin is ready. So you can see it a little bit better here. I think it looks very well until now. So this is the first part. Now I let it dry very well, and after I've painted the other parts from this figure, I show you how they will look together and glue them and fix them, and then they get a nice place here so that I can see it every time. So see you soon back. Bye bye.